Okay, this is the Mega experiment for the Mega Lottery. On Friday the 16th, this is the first time I've done this with a group of several people doing the numbers, trying to do the numbers in order. In the Mega Lottery, you choose 5 numbers between 1 and 70. The Powerball, you choose between the number 1 to 25. Okay, so the scripts I write to my people, thank you guys, Matthias, Lynn, John, and I'm missing somebody, Matthias, Lynn, John, Charles, hey, there you are, Charles, from Haiti, what a guy. Script numbers, you guys know how to do that. So 1 and 2 is the first and second number, which is a pair, the first pair in your lottery. So 1 and 2 is one pair, 3 and 4 is the second pair, 4 and 5 the third pair, fourth pair, fifth pair, and 11 and 12 visions, 11th and 12th script, 11th and 12th visions. That is your Powerball, the one that goes between 1 and 25. All the rest of them are 0-1 up to 70. This is why nobody gets it. Right now it's up to like 500 and some million dollars. Last year it went up as high as 1.3 billion at one point. And you can wager on this any place in the world you are. Even though it's a USA lottery, you can wager on this no matter where you are in the world. Just like you guys. You got UK, Australia guys right there, Haiti guy right there, okay? Alright, so let me explain real quick. You guys know what we're doing. This video is basically for you guys. I'm not going to show you what all the scripts was that everybody else had. You know what your scripts were. But anyways, you choose your own numbers. You know that we have the answers right here. The vision was Indiana Jones hat. It could just be hat or Indiana Jones hat. You guys know that we add up the letters. You know what we do, right? Now, you do realize that the first and second vision will start out as a low end, like a 0-8, it'll start with a 0, or it'll be in the teens, 14, 18 or something. And then as we go up higher and higher and higher, it'll reach up to the 70. It'll be up in there, 60-something, 70s. That's way at the end. So that's how it goes in order like that, right? The Lottery Commission, they put the numbers in that order. So we don't have to. So, in other words, it usually starts out in the low wall figures, in the single digits and the teens at first. I've seen it the other day where, looking back at my records, that every one of these double digits were 0s, 9s, and in the teens. Every one of them. Nothing made it to 20s, 30s, and 40s, and 50s, and 60s, or 70. None of them did. They were all, matter of fact, they were all in the teens. 10, 11, 12, 13, 17, 19. Boom. That's impossible. But you never know how the balls are going to roll, right? Well, watch this. I'm saying this for a purpose, guys. Indiana Jones hat. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Hold it. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 equals 6. There's no such thing as the low end starting off with a 6. That would be way up at the high end if it was going to happen, right? So it cannot be a 6. That's process of elimination, which is good for us, which means it must be hat. It's the only option available. If that's true, that means it's starting off with the 3s. It's starting off in the 30s already. Wow. Is that possible? Well, sure it is. Let's see if it stays in 30s or goes higher. Here's John, number 3, right? Blue Clipper lighter. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 equals a 9. Well, there's no such thing as it starting out as a 9. It's too high. It only goes as high as 70 to begin with, right? So that process of elimination, that's good. We don't have to worry about that. So it's not blue, clipper, lighter. It would just be, maybe it's just clipper lighter. Just try that. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, it goes to 5. Well, if this one's going to start out as a 3, 30-something, there's a possibility to jump to a 50-something. Or it's lighter, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It doesn't jump up into the 70s right away. Of course not. Because then it wouldn't be no room for anybody else up there. Whatever. So, if it's going to start out that high right away in the 30s, at 3, 3, 0, 3, 1, 3, 2, 33, whatever it is. Number 3 and 4 is going to be clipper lighter, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 equals 5. It's going to jump up to the 50s right away. The first pair starts off at 30-something. Second pair starts off at 50-something, which means everything else has to be 50-something or higher. Tree roots, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It doesn't start out at 9. There's no 9s in any of them. It only goes up as high as 70. Can't start out with 90. So therefore, it's not tree roots, it's roots. 3, 4, 5. Aha. What I was saying, this one starts up in the 30s, that one goes up to the 50s, and that one, thank you Lynn, starts off into the 50s also. Ah, is that right? If that's true, we have wheelbarrow. Next pair, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That's a 2. Nope, can't go backwards. It's either 5 or higher. Right? But you know wheelbarrow is in there. So it's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. No wheel. There's something about the vision there, right? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 1, 8 is a 9. Can't start out as a 9 either. So I wonder what it could be. What's odd about that? That's going to be a tricky one. We know the vision's correct, a wheelbarrow with no wheel. So maybe because it has no wheel, means old. Because he was out in the woods when the guy hit it with his vehicle or whatever he was driving. So let's try that. Wheelbarrow, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and the word old, 11, 12, 13, 14, equals 5. Well, guess what? Boom. So if that starts out in the 30s, 50s, 50s, that one's going to be in the 50s also. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. If that's true, then the next one would have to be in the 50s or higher, right? I'm going to let you guys do the rest. But I'm telling you a secret there. Oh, by the way, the Powerball goes between 1 and 25, right? John, white football inside of a gator's belly. White football, and it has a C, a little logo that said indoor. It's there for a reason, or it wouldn't say it. It wouldn't have that. Spirit would not show you that unless it was there for a reason. Watch. White football. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 1, 9 is 10. So it's a 1 or a 0. And it only goes up, and it starts off at 1 and goes as high as 25, right? So right there, the first number is either a 1 or a 0. White football with the word indoor. Add it all up. It's 19, that equals 10. And you guys know that means it's either a 1 or a 0. And I'm not going to go any farther. I'll let you guys do the rest on your own. Thank you for watching the video. If you want to wager on it, go ahead and have a good time. And I will send a copy of this video to everybody to give you a chance to place a wager on your tickets. And good luck.